Okay, so I really quickly just wanted to set this up and show you guys a little bit of what I'm packing. I don't have my outfits planned out yet. I do leave Saturday, so I'm hoping to get this video up by then. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get to everything tonight. I do want to say that I'm pretty terrified, so just a little bit. Like when I did it, I was like, screw it, you only live once, whatever. Like, I've been wanting to do one of their retreats for a while. They had co-ed ones all throughout the year, and now it's Victor Odo. If you guys watch him on YouTube, he's amazing. I love him. He's one of my favorite YouTubers. I watch I listen to his podcast as well with his wife Patty, and Patty is hosting the All Women's event. So I won't get to see Victor, which kind of sucks, but like I love Patty just as much. I feel like it'll be a little bit more comfortable for me to go with all women. My very first time going, I don't know, I guess it's just a comfort thing. And I told myself in the beginning of the year, when she mentioned she was gonna do it at like the beginning of the year on the podcast, and I remember being like, I want to go to one of these. Like, I want to go. If this is it, like, I will go to this one. I have to go to this one. This is like her last one. Like, I'm going to have enough money to go. Like, I'm going to do it. So, you know, they kept talking about it, and then eventually it came around in like July. And I was like, oh my gosh, I don't know if I have the money. I didn't have it right then and there, just be like, okay, here. Like, but I wanted to go. And I was like, it's a one-in-a-lifetime thing. I think I really could benefit from it. It's everything. I love yoga. I love, you know, the spirituality, and it's kind of what I've been talking about on my channel. And I've always heard amazing things about Sedona. So I was like, I need to go to this. And at first I was hesitant, but like I had this like strong feeling of like regret if I didn't go. Like I knew that I would be upset seeing her post about it and people posting about it, and I'm not there. So I ended up calling her back and was like, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do this. And then like right after, like I was like, what did I just do? Like I've never flown alone. I've never traveled alone. I've only flown one time, and that was with my mom. It's a little confusing, and I'm honestly a little terrified still. Like the weeks in between, I was like, what was I thinking? Now that it's coming up, I'm getting scared, but I'm just like, you got this, like it's gonna be fine. And I've talked to some people, you know, people do it all the time. People travel all the time. I'll be okay. But I really just want to do this to just, I don't know, really just heal. And it's going to be a great learning experience, just flying alone. And, you know, just there's a layover in Texas, and like it's a 3-hour time difference, and it's just, it's a big thing. But I feel like I need to do it, and it kind of sucks that it ended up like the week of my boyfriend's birthday, but he was really like, do it, like you should do it. And so I'm doing it, and I'm really excited. It's about 4 days. I mean, it's 4 days with traveling. I leave Saturday, I get there, you get Sunday, Monday, and then I'll leave Tuesday. There's a last hike on Tuesday, but with how my plane was, it's just not gonna work out that way. I've talked to some people I met online that are going. They seem really cool. I have a roommate, because I was like, if I'm gonna pay this, I'm getting a room, because like they had like sofa couches and stuff too. But so I have a roommate. I haven't met her yet, so I'm kind of excited about that. But I just think it'll be a really great learning experience and healing. Sedona is like known for being like a very high vibrational place, like very spiritual. A lot of people in the spiritual community go there, like hiking. It's beautiful, like the red rocks. I'm so excited for that. I'm trying to plan ahead, and I have been trying to get everything done so I'm not last minute, because I'm usually last minute when I'm planning and packing. But I'm by myself. Like I don't have anyone to depend on. Like I don't have my mom to make sure that there's stuff in my bag. So I've been trying to like make sure I have everything. And I'm doing a carry-on. so I don't have to mess with like where my bags are, because I feel like that's really confusing when we did that, like trying to find it, because like it was on the other side of the airport. We were in Miami though, so that was kind of confusing, but I think I'll be okay, and I just didn't want to deal with that, and I just feel like it's all gonna be okay. I do have to like lift to Sedona from the airport. I'm a little terrified about that, just because I've never been in a lift or anything by myself, especially for like an hour, so terrified, but I am ready. So I think I'm ready. I'll be okay. I'm sorry if this moved. My camera died. I had to get a new battery. It's all gonna work out. It really is, and I know that it's gonna be amazing. So I just want to show you guys a little bit of what I got. So I'm gonna do like a carry-on, and then I'm gonna have like my bag with me. So what I found this like almost right after I booked the trip, and it's so perfect. But it's like a purse. It's gonna be my purse, but it's a purse and a backpack. It's Steve Madden. It's so cute, isn't it? Steve Madden, and I found it at TJ Maxx. I forget how much, maybe for like 30 bucks, 40 bucks, but it has little straps so I can wear it on my back, and for like hiking or whatever. It has like little sides for water bottles, and then it's nice because if you want, you can carry it like a purse. I mean, it's a big purse, but it still works. And then it has like an opening here. It has this little pocket here, and then it's really big, so this comes up and it opens all the way, and it's pretty freaking big in here. There's like a laptop thing if you want to do that. I think there's like a few little pockets, so I'm really happy about that. But this is what I'm going to be using as a purse, and I also did just buy like a new wallet, so that'll be nice. I'm not going to probably take my debit card, just because if it gets lost or something, you know. So you have to have like all your liquids in a separate bag when you travel. So I got this bag at Walmart, and it's just a clear bag. I'm gonna put all my liquids in it. I have some stuff, like I have my mini, everything, and it has to be all your liquids have to be under 3 fluid ounces. So I just got minis of everything, like mini face wash, which is so convenient. Like, I never understood why people wanted travel size, but I definitely, I get it now. I get it. Because like, I can shove everything in this bag. Like, I'm just gonna take a bar of soap so I can throw it away when I get there or when I leave. I got a little carrying case for my bar of soap. Little baby Cetaphil, like how convenient. And this is like, it's like they knew. Like, it's perfect. Rodan & Fields had a special not too long ago where you got, if you bought a regimen and like the mini one, you got free masks with it. So I have a mini, dropping it, of Rodan & Fields, and this is what I use, guys. So I'm gonna be doing a video on my skincare soon. I meant to get it up a while ago, but my skin broke out due to like antibiotics and stuff that I was on. But this is the regimen that I use. It's for acne, and it's just so perfect. Like, it's gonna fit in there. So perfect. The clear case also came with this inside of it. I'm probably not gonna use the loofah or these things, just because I have minis of everything, and I got a bar of soap, and it came with like a little black bag inside. I'm really excited to wear my Bliss amulet that my boyfriend got me from Lior Alexandra. She's here on YouTube. They're all friends, like Victor and her boyfriend Aaron, like they're all friends, and it's so cool because like when I very first started watching them, I was like, what? I was like, they're friends? Like, this is amazing. She's friends with, Leora's friends with Sam Oscarell. I think that's how you say your last name. I love Sam though, and I mentioned Sam way before in my videos because I've been watching her forever. But I was just like, oh my gosh, it's so cool seeing that like they're all friends. And she just posted something about like how high vibrational Sedona is and to like wear your amulet, and I'm like so excited. I did get the bliss amulet, which I'm pretty sure helps with like just negative energies and like depression, and it's like a happiness type of amulet. I don't know, but I just love it. I've always wanted one. Like, I'm just so excited he got it, and he saw me take her quiz and like post it on Instagram, and he got it for me. I just think that's so cute. So I also got something for like my passport, which I won't need, but it's like a little cover, which I don't really know if I like it on there because it doesn't stay shut very well. But this came with it, and it said it's supposed to be like scam proof or something, like identity theft proof. Someone scanned it, but it's like for your cards and your ID, I guess. So I'm gonna use that. I think it's real cute. I also got a crap ton of notebooks, just because it's hard for me. There's certain notebooks I like, and I didn't want to order any because I couldn't really find any I like. And I like to go to TJ Maxx, but sometimes TJ Maxx, we all know, is hit or miss. They either have stuff or they don't. So I've been searching for notebooks forever, and then one day they had a bunch of like ones that I like. I like the spiral ones, so I can open it up and, you know, not worry about bending the book and everything. So I bought like 6 or something. Like, I was not playing, so I just thought I could have them for when my other ones run out, and I was about to run out. But I got this really cute marble notebook. I'm trying really hard to journal every day, but that's just not working. But journaling when I'm there. So I'm gonna take this, and then I just felt like I need a neck pillow, so when I'm sleeping on the plane. And I was being so dramatic, like I was trying out all of them and like laying on them, like trying them out. But I do really like this one. It's really soft, and it has like these cooling gels in it. So I get hot really easily, like I just run hot. So I mean, you don't like put it anywhere, it's just supposed to help with the moisture, I think. I get on the plane in Dallas at like 12, and then I get in Sedona at 12:30. So it's gonna be a trip for sure. I just really need to figure out my outfit because I'm just taking a little carry-on, so I shouldn't need too much. But the weather in Sedona is kind of like the weather over here right now. It's like 70, maybe it might be a little bit warmer, like 80 over there, and then it's like 50 at night. So it's like, what am I gonna do? But there's that. I just have so much stuff. I'm like kind of stressed. I took today off just like so I could process everything. I just feel like I don't know where, like I have so many things. Like I have a hair appointment in the morning, and like I had to remind myself because I feel like I'm gonna forget because there's just so much on my mind. So this might be the end to this video.